I'm Tolga, and today we're gonna make some candlelight in glass with macrame rope. I saw it in different kinds of Pinterest and sites, and I want to make it also for myself. And okay, let's begin. Glass. I have tape. I want to tape it first. Make a right strap on it. I'm gonna tape it from the bottom up, just like this, because we're gonna need it. Because I have here macrame rope, and we're gonna put the glue just like this, one on one, and we're gonna make later the macrame on the glass. Okay, I want to wait first because the glue is getting hot, because we're waiting for that first, and I'll be back. Little bit of glue. Take the rope. And glue the rope. Just like this. Okay, you can take the tape off now, because the tape was first to make a right strap on it, and you can take it off. You cannot need it anymore. Now you see I have two macrame, and we're gonna set it on and on to the end there. Look out, the glue is very hot. Don't burn your fingers on it, because I did it before and it is very hot. Okay, now you see it's on. And I do off camera, I'm gonna do the ends. A little bit here. Wait it for dry. And that was the down. We'll take another two. Till here. see. Okay, next time we're gonna do that. We take it from here, take this over the rope, and I'm gonna glue it on the end. We'll take another one. Let's do the final touches, and this is the result. You can see it's really great. Okay, this is the end of the tutorial. It's very easy to make. You have a different glass now. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. This is the end result. Very lovely. It's easy to make. I had another colors in the house. This was the only color what I had in macrame rope, blue. I have also here a candlelight, bronze and batteries. To put this inside here. Look how lovely it is. Okay, don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!